Ladies and gentlemen and all those in between, we present you Princess Alice Manor. Hello my lovelies, it's your royal waifu for life with Princess Alice Manor and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're doing a boob creation tutorial. Whenever I'm wearing an outfit that has a low cut or is lewd, I always like to make my breasts look more realistic, to be honest. If you're transitioning, this is a great way to pass, but it's also great if you're small breasted in general and want to accentuate your breasts. I've had multiple people say to me that they didn't realise that these were fake, but today I'm actually hoping to pass on my wisdom to all of you. So without further ado, let us begin. So first off, you'll want to have a clean and shaved chest, so make sure to shave as finely as you can. Then you're going to want to use tape to bring any natural cleavage closer together. I ideally like to start below where my nipples would be from the centre of my back and then come round. I do this as while you're moving throughout the day, this helps keep the tape from coming off. When you do come to the centre, you'll want to keep your breasts as tight and close together as possible to create a bigger cleavage. Once this is done, go round to the back and meet with the rest of the tape to secure it. If you aren't able to create a tight enough cleavage the first time, then feel free to add another layer of tape in the centre. Now that we've created our cleavage, we'll now want to shape them by contouring them. To do this, I prefer to use a brown contour crayon to outline the curves of my breasts evenly and a bit darker in the crease. While we're also here, I'm going to outline and then highlight the middle of my collarbones to help give our chest a lifted look. After this, I'm going to apply foundation that matches our skin tone under the outline. Once this is done, I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend both the contour and foundation together in an upwards direction while keeping the curved outline we've created. While doing this, also use a dabbing motion to get a good application. Once done, wipe away anything that goes out of the lines we've done to make sure they keep their shape. Now that our foundation is done, we're going to add on our outfit that will also help lift up our cleavage. For today's tutorial, I'm going to use a push-up bra, but you can also use a corset or anything tight around the chest. My bra on, I'm going to then insert my forms into the edges in order to prop up my cleavage. Ideally, it's good to use silicone breast fillets, however what works for me is using thick socks as they adjust to the shape of what I'm wearing. For today's tutorial, I'm going to put on a V-neck shirt in order to show off my creation. Once done, observe how your creation looks and adjust accordingly to make sure your breasts look even. I'm then going to apply a powder to bake and set my foundation so they stay that way when creasing throughout the day. And we are done! As you can see, we've now created our final look and created a convincing pair of breasts. I hope you've enjoyed my tutorial and let me know how you get on via social media and feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. I've been Princess Alice Manor and thank you for watching. Hey everyone, thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell as well as like, comment and share for any upcoming videos. Also feel free to check out any of my social media below for more updates, and I also have a Patreon where you can get early access as well as other rewards for less than £2. Again, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.